up, my boys? Welcome to a new vlog. Today we are still in Algarve, but today is a special day because we have a little treat for you guys.
So this video started out great because we had an accident with this clip, no audio. Anyways, this is Alexandre. He is a local Portuguese guy living in Portimão. And he wrote us on Instagram and said, hey guys, I want to show you around in my epic Mercedes from 1991. And we said yes.
Looks like the tide is coming actually. Oh my god, someone took a dump in here.
The amazing tour.
So nasty.
Bam!
Oh my god. So a little teaser here from the morning. Where we, how many places are we going?
We're going to about 7 or 8 places.
Okay.
Some we will tell the names, some we will not.
Yeah.
Because we have to keep things for the locals also. So I think that's natural. That's natural.
We agreed that okay, you show us the hidden gems, but we don't tell all of them because you know the Portuguese, they don't want to give everything away for the Brits and the Germans.
Yeah, we lost it already, so we don't want to lose any more.
Yeah.
So this was just one spot, but this is actually an entire hike that you can do along the coast here. 1 out of 2.
Yes, you have Sete Vales Suspensos. It's to the eastern side, and Caminho dos Premontários, it's to the west side. You have
We got place number 2, and this is the tourist trap of them all.
It's not a trap.
well, it's not a trap. It's worth it.
Yeah.
Look, there's no one there. Look.
It's not a tourist trap these days, but this is the Benagil cave. How do you say it?
Benagil.
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 And this is like the postcard of Algarve, right?
Yeah, don't get messy with that HDR image. It's not like that. You don't bring your expectations too high. This is real stuff.
Are we gonna swim in there?
Yeah, I believe so.
Uh-oh. You're gonna take care of our stuff?
I do.
And then you go afterwards. This must be just as special for you because you've never seen it without tourists, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's
I
good.
never realized that.
It's so cold!
If you start swimming, you'll feel warm again, okay?
Okay.
You want me to get the camera?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Oh my god, look at this! Oh. The sun is perfect! This is a once in a lifetime experience. This is usually packed, absolutely packed with boats and tourists. Though right now the ocean is low tide, the sun is perfectly.
Amazing.
What an experience. Even as a local, that was like something you only could experience like 10 years ago.
Maybe, and the water was so good,
Yeah.
so clear, and so perfect. It
And
was
not
just
too rough of a current either. It was
amazing, amazing.
Really good.
look at this place. Algarve is already, we know it's beautiful, but it is, it's spectacular.
Exactly, it's amazing.
This is also where the Set Val do Suspenso, the hike, this is where it either ends or start.
Exactly.
So you can walk from here to where we started this video.
We have reached the furthest eastern point of our day, and now we go to really good stuff.
We're gonna end up at the Atlantic Ocean, right?
Well, this is Atlantic Ocean.
Is it? I thought it was the middle,
No,
the Mediterranean.
No, the Mediterranean, it's before Gibraltar.
Oh yeah, it starts at Gibraltar. Okay, well, but so technically we are going to the Atlantic Ocean.
Yes, we are.
And then it just doesn't taste so good. The local spirits continues here because now we have been brought to another local place and our local guide has been bringing us Dourada. I'm so happy. Where are we at?
We are in Toine, o Mata Porcos in Portimão, just next to my place. Amazing. I love to come here.
How do you eat here? How many times a week?
Me? Ask him.
Let's dig in and continue the exploration.
Yes.
Let's go.
Those are just delicious picanhas. Yes, you can bite it.
Are you looking forward to getting our puppy?
Okay, ciao.
Don't bite the puppy.
So we are at a new destination, and this is the one we can't mention because this is something that Alexandre prefers to keep as a secret. What is special about this place here?
The clear water.
Yeah?
I think it's the best one in the Algarve. Just point down.
So you claim that this is like the beach, one of the best beaches.
For me, definitely.
And normally you say that the ocean, when the tide is lower, then you can walk all the way around along, and then you have little caves.
Yeah, and the rock formations are really nice, and the water is always very clear. And that's amazing.
I mean, I think this is the clearest water I've seen in Algarve. So we're not gonna say it. It's gonna remain a secret. The dumb tourists can't take everything away from the Portuguese, right?
Hopefully.
So we are now at Beliche Beach, Praia da Beliche. Praia do Beliche? Praia de Beliche? Beliche. This is probably the most insane beach we have been to today, and it's in hard competition, but the scale of this beach is pretty epic. Like, you are inside this cave, you feel like you're small and that you are protected.
So we are like around Sagres, which is the most southwestern point of Europe. It's getting more and more wavy here, and that's why you see all these surfers, and I like that. This is, I don't know if it's my favorite beach as well, but it's just encapsulated. It's, oh my god, it's so beautiful here. I mean it's overload aesthetics today, you can say that for sure. Whew, Alexandre, he is taking us on too many adventures that I had to do this and say, cut Ellie, I need some wine if I have to keep up with this.
Yeah, I think I should have provided Joen with a backpack with white wine directly to his mouth.
That
I mean,
I would love that, you know. How much are we gonna see? Because I feel like you're spoiling our audience with all the places that are worth going.
No, there's much more.
Okay.
There are much more. I'm just taking you to the main ones because as a local, we're still discovering new things every day. Saúde!
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 What we are seeing here, because this is absolutely incredible. This is a dramatic, epic scenery that we didn't know Algarve even had. I mean, this is like the raw, rough Australia. Could be, you know, this is truly spectacular. And as Alexandre says, you know, this doesn't need any words, really. You know, there's no need to describe this. This is beauty that tells the story itself.
You know, you really know me because you brought port wine.
And a whole bottle.
And a whole
And
bottle.
big glasses. Like this was made.
The proper way.
Yeah,
Exactly.
This has been what a day.
It has been the day
Yeah.
in Algarve. Like we wouldn't have found half of the places we have been visiting today if it wasn't for local help, to be honest.
Yeah.
So we are very grateful.
This is the last spot of today. We will put all the names except the one hidden place in the description. So if you want to know exactly where we have been today, you can find it.
Thank you so much for a wonderful day.
It's been my pleasure.
No, it has been our pleasure.
Our
it has
pleasure.
been amazing.
Thank
You really know your way around Algarve, and yeah, we're gonna do a part 2 at some point, and you're gonna show even more.
Even more of the Algarve.
We're gonna wrap it up here, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, thank you. I hope you guys have been enjoying this just 10% as much as we have. So
Yeah.
we have had a nice video.
Thank you again.
Thank you. Bye.
You have to say bye in Portuguese. Adeus. Adieu. Adeus.
Adeus. Obrigada por ver o vídeo.
Até logo.
Até logo.